With the Lok Sabha elections starting soon, a political tussle has begun in Karnataka. The opposition BJP has been able to retain former Chief Minister Sadananda Gowda, who was denied a ticket to contest from the Bengaluru North constituency. However, the former Union Minister has also called for a purification to end nepotism in the BJP state unit.
ಸರ್ ಭಾರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪರಿವಾರವಾದ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಶುದ್ಧೀಕರಣದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ.
He also mentioned that he was invited by the Congress, but he decided to stick to the BJP.
ನಾನು ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಭಾರಿ ಚಂದ ಆರತಿ ಎತ್ತಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
On the other hand, after Karnataka Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot refused to sign the temple tax bill, the ruling Congress continued to have a tussle with the BJP regarding the same. The governor questioned why other religious bodies aren't taxed. On this, BJP attacked Congress, with CT Ravi saying that the government introduced this bill to loot the temple treasury, while Minister Dinesh Gundurao stated that this was the government's idea to improve C category temples.
We are welcoming his decision. What he has took a decision, our honorable governor, that is correct. He has justice दिया है. आप भी सोचिए, वक्फ बोर्ड को पैसा देता है, बजट से पैसा देता है, हम सब लोगों को टैक्स मनी देता है. टेम्पल को ट्रेजरी से पैसे लेने के लिए बिल लाता है. उसके मतलब इस गवर्नमेंट, कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट हिंदुओं को खिलाफ है, ऐसा लगता है.
Whatever the governor's apprehensions are, I think our government will definitely give a clear reply, because the intention of the government is very good. In fact, it is for the benefit of the community and the poorer temples. The C category temples, they constitute almost about 80% of the temples in Karnataka. More than 35,000 temples are C category. So our intention is to see that money that come from the profits of bigger temples, a small percentage of that, is used to fund the improvement of these temples and to fund the improvement of the lives of the priests who are running those temples. So it's a very pro-Hindu bill, pro the poorer, weaker temples, and I'm sure that Governor will eventually approve it with the proper clarification from the government.
Let us know about your views regarding this political tussle in Karnataka. And like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.